This video I'm going to give end-to-end demo for the educators on how they can register and activate their account. So once you download this app, okay, before that let me clarify that this app supports only Android phones, okay, and I think more than 90% of the phones in India is Android, so you don't need to worry. And in the future we'll also develop this app for web where you can log in through laptop, and we'll also develop the app for iOS phones, so you can log in from your iPhone, okay, but right now it supports only Android. So when you download this app from Google Play Store, you can find the app in the name of Concept Clear. Okay, if you need more details about this or other things, you can get more information from our website, that is www.conceptclear.com. Once you download this app, you will come to this page where student, educator and admin. You have to click this educator. Now once you click that, you will get a page where you have to input your mobile number. So you have to put your own mobile number which you're using in the handset. It's not like you'll copy the OTP from somewhere else and just paste it here, because the app will read the OTP automatically. So you have to put the same mobile number which you're using in the app. Okay, and then and that is only one time. Okay, that is for authentication process. Okay, next time onwards you don't have to enter the mobile number. Okay, and even this page is only one time because this is part of registration. So the next time onwards you don't have to select this admin. So the selection of admin is because each teachers will be linked to an admin. Before that, let me explain. I think I already explained in previous video. So admins are the one who handle complete life cycle of teachers, from onboarding to their revenue settlement to the complete process. So any teachers, if they have doubts, they can contact their admin. Okay, and it's up to admin how they can communicate, like how they can build the communication channels with the educators. Suppose some admins can build a WhatsApp group and they keep on giving the guidelines in WhatsApp group and all. And the idea of having admin is because we are going to have more than 10,000 teachers in the country from various places. So it's very difficult to have a central team at one place to have complete communication. So that's the reason that we will have admin from various parts of our country, like from various states, and these admin can communicate to the teachers under them in their regional languages. Okay, so at this stage maybe you would know some admin, okay, or maybe you don't know. Okay, so if you don't know the admin, don't worry. Once you click this button, you will get all the admin profiles. Right now you're just getting the code, but in the future you will get some admin profiles like this. So there will be the picture of the admin. So like this means Miss Vinita Suryas from Hyderabad, and the code is TSVI01. Okay, some descriptions about the admin and the profile. So looking at each of this profile, you can choose like whether you want to connect with them, whether you want to register under their account. Okay, so once you click here, that means your admin is selected, and then you have to put this your name. So here I've entered my name and your state. So from this you can select your state. If any state is not reflecting, you can give the feedback in a daily meeting, or you can select any other your nearest state. Okay, then click next. So once you click next, you will land in this page where you have two options, that is digital learning and coaching. So digital learning means about class 1 to class 12, what you teach in the schools. Okay, and coaching is for professional studies, like if you do any coaching for medical or engineering or UPSC or any professional this exams, you have to go for coaching. Okay, So most of the cases it's going to be digital learning. So in this video I've covered digital learning, but I'll also create a separate video for coaching. Okay, so you can click digital learning. Once you click here, you can choose which curriculum you want to take. So one is ICSE, second is CBSE, then IGCSE and NIOS, and we'll also bring IB in the future. Okay, so you can choose any of this curriculum. Suppose I select CBSE, then you can choose which class you want to teach. So suppose I choose grade 6. Okay, then click okay. Before clicking that, so here at the down you will see your teacher code. So this is your teacher code, which is generated when you select an admin. So whenever a teacher is linked to an admin, their code is generated automatically. Okay, so this code will be used to link the teacher with the students. When the students on board, they will be linked to the teacher, but it's not related to the registration process, so I think you can ignore for now. Okay, I'll explain the importance of this in the next video, where I will explain the process of student registration. So once you click next, you will land in this page. So here when you come for the first time, you have to update your profile. Okay, so in this on the hamburger button on the top left corner, you can click there. So here my profile is already updated, but I can still update it. I'll just click here and select the picture which I want to post, and I can select the picture that I want to post. Okay, and then I put my name and my UPI. So UPI is basically for the settlement. So whatever revenue generated from the teacher, so they will get the settlement through this UPI, and all the teachers should have their banks linked to this UPI. Okay, so that we will make the payment to the UPI and it will directly go to your banks. Okay, your UPI, your age, your place. Then you can select the grades, that which grades you want to teach. Suppose you can select multiple grades like grade 6, 7, 8 like that. Okay, then boards, like which boards you can teach, like ICSE, CBSE or anything. Then you can put the chapter names like separated by comma, like maths, science, English. Okay, then you can put the teacher profile. So this teacher profile is the one that will appear to the students when they log into the app. Okay, and this is very important because based on your profile, the students will join your classes. So when you publish your classes, as I explained that you have 3 options. So the students will view your profile, and based on your profile and your lecture videos, they will join under you. Okay, so you can put this profile and you can change it any time. So I think no need to worry too much about this. You can put some descriptions and then click submit. Okay, once you submit here, now the next important step is that you have to click register. Okay, so setting profile is only one time. Okay, but this register is you can do multiple times. Why? Because this registration you can do at chapter level. Okay, so let me explain. When you click register, okay, so once you click register, you will see all these subjects and each of the chapters for that subject where you can register. So for some chapters you will see this color as orange, which means that somebody has already registered here, so you can't register, right? So you can try to register for those under yellow, and even you can register for orange also, but yellow are the one where nobody has registered. If your some specific chapters falls under the one which is already orange, I think you can still, because each chapter we will have hundreds of teachers in the future, so I think there's no problem if there are multiple teachers under each chapter. Okay, but this is just to give indication that orange means somebody is already registered. Okay, so when you come here, you can click any chapter that you want to register. Suppose here I take maths whole numbers. Okay, then this is the main page that is required to activate your account. Okay, so what is this here? This YouTube URL means this is going to be your lecture video that will be displayed to your students. When they go to the app, they will view your lecture videos. Okay, and based on that lecture videos, they will approach you. So lecture video, there is no charge for that. It's just kind of marketing for your profile. So if they like your lecture, they will join your tuitions and the hourly packs and the other things. But if they don't like your lecture, so I think and don't get confused, this is not a demo video. This has to be complete video of your lecture. Okay, and how you have to, what points you need to take care while preparing this. Actually, the other details is already mentioned in the website, so I'm not going to explain in too much detail about this, but this is going to be the lecture video for the chapter that you want to take. Okay, second is a PDF. Again, details about this is already mentioned in the YouTube video as well as website. Okay, then the third is worksheet. Okay, so once you fill all these things, okay, and click submit. Okay, so your this content will go for approval to the admin. Okay, so you can go back and then go back again, and you can come back under your classes. Okay, so whatever you submit, so in your classes you will see actually here I have not submitted anything, so but here whatever you submit, it will show as pending for approval, which means that it is pending for approval from the admin. Okay, so once it is approved, okay, once the admin approve, you have to click the details. Okay, and here you have these three options to earn money. Okay, so one is that opt for teaching. So this means that you have to subscribe for this teaching. Okay, so you have to just click this button, that's all. Once you click this button, so it shows like this, you are open for student request, which means that any student can contact you for teaching, and they can contact any of the time. The working time is like morning 6 AM to evening 9 PM. So between this you will receive the calls. But in case if you don't want to receive the calls, you can set your availability as busy. So suppose you're going on leave or anywhere, so you can set your availability as busy, so you won't receive any calls. But your revenue depends on the number of calls that you handle, not the number of calls, the total durations. Okay, and second is create your tuition. So create your tuition is like you same like how you conduct the tuitions, but this complete digital mechanism. So you can create the tuition like this. Once you hit this button, you have to set the price. Suppose you set the price for tuition as 5,000 for CPSC grade 6 maths complete syllabus. Okay, details, something you can mention, and you can specify how much max students can join your batch. Okay, suppose you set as 20 or 50, anything. Then you can set the details like you're going to take it daily or weekly or monthly. Suppose I choose weekly. So on a weekly, on which days you're going to take. Suppose I choose that Tuesday. On Tuesday, what time you're going to take the tuition. Suppose I choose that Tuesday morning, or maybe I'll put it as evening at 6, so 6 AM like this. Then next is Thursday. The timing is going to be at 7 this 00, and then again this PM. Sorry, I think this was also A. Oh, I'm not getting option to edit. I think I have to create this option to edit this. Anyway, I'll do that in the next version. So you can set the time and then start date. Suppose you said you want to start the classes from maybe the new year, that is January 2021, and you want to select the, so this is start date, and you want to take the class for maybe from January to maybe for 3 months, like March end. So this is the start date and the end date. And then if you want to upload any documents, some study notes, so that what students has to read before coming to the classes, you can upload from here, and then just click submit. So once you click submit, okay, it will appear in your students, okay, and then your tuition has been created. Similarly, you can also create your hourly pack. So once you hit this hourly pack, you can put the title like maths grade 6. Complete syllabus. Okay, you can put any details, and then so hourly pack is the one where you specify like what you can cover, okay, and how much you want to charge per hour. Suppose the teacher put the charges like 300 per hour, okay, and then you can mention the time window, that what time you will be available. Suppose you set this time as like 7 p.m. between 7 to 8. So this means that you're going to cover this maths grade 6, and your hourly charge is 300 rupees per hour, and this is your time window between 7 to 8 p.m. So you can submit here and then go back and then check again. So your hourly pack is also created. So you have created your tuition as well as hourly pack. Now this will be visible to the students. Okay, there's no approval required for this. Whenever you create, it will immediately be available to the students, and they can join your tuitions. So for in case of tuitions, you have to start the class. Okay, so based on the timing and the dates, whatever you have mentioned, you can start the class. Either you can start the class by clicking this join button if you want to start the class from mobile, or else if you want to start the class from your laptop, you can open this URL from your laptop and you can start the class. Okay, and it's going to be complete online, where you can use any tools like Google Classroom or any collaborative tools to interact with the students. Okay, in that. And hourly pack, there is no join button because you don't need to do anything. You just need to students will automatically contact you, and they won't contact you through mobile. They will contact you through this app only. You will receive the calls from the students in this app, so you just need to attend the call, and based on that the total number of students who have joined your batch, you will get the revenue. Okay. So I'll just show quickly what is the user experience for the students when they open your batch. So when the student log in, so they also go to digital learning, and then CPSC grade 6. Okay, IGCSE, I'm doing some testing, so I will take ICSE grade 1. So just for testing purpose, I created some test tuitions in this The chapter name is this Chula. Okay, not Chula, this Bhasha. So the profile will appear like this. Okay, so if the students goes to this page, so they will see your hourly pack. Now if they want to subscribe to hourly pack, okay, they will click this timing and details, and then they will get all the details, and then when they click this purchase button, so it will take to the Paytm. Okay, and the students should have the Paytm app installed in their mobile, then only they can purchase. So when they click Paytm, it will redirect to the Paytm, and then they will make the payment. Okay, so this, when they make the payment, it will come, all the money will come to Concept Clear account, and then we will do the settlement to the teachers, okay, on a weekly basis or monthly basis. So initially it will be monthly basis, but going forward you're going to make it weekly basis. And when the students subscribe to your tuitions or hourly packs or this general subscription, they will also able to participate in the worksheets which you have created and read your study notes. Okay, so this is the user experience for the students. Okay, and so this home page which I am testing right now, which is still not developed, here the students will get the profiles of the teachers from each subjects, and the profiles is going to be the teacher who is the best on the particular day. So every day the app will get the best teacher. Best means the teacher with the highest rating, and those profiles will display to the students at the home page. Okay, because see, when the student open this app, they will directly come to the home page. So mostly students won't go to this grid and check one by one. Okay, from the home page itself, whatever they say, they will immediately buy. So to benefit teachers as well as students, we are going to make it easy for the students to discover the best teachers through this software technology, where the app will filter the best teachers with the highest rating and display it in the home page. So this way the teachers who are like who are teaching very good, they can earn well in this platform. Okay, so I think I hope now you're clear and the complete registration and activation process. And if you have any doubts or if you face any issues, you can contact me in the daily meeting. So I keep providing all the details in the WhatsApp groups. These WhatsApp groups links you can get from our website, that www.conceptclear.com, and you can raise any of the clarifications in that meeting, so I can clarify that. And also remember that our app is still in development phase, so you might face some bugs in between. So if you raise those things in the meeting, I can immediately solve, because on a daily basis we are taking the bugs and we are fixing it. All right, so even if there's no bugs, if you have some feedback, you can give that feedback in the meeting, and I can try to resolve it. Okay, then thank you very much.